the boss up for a check. I had to step on these niggas' neck. I had to go and get a couple.
Hey y'all, let me tell y'all how me and JoJo was rushing to this basketball game, like speeding. But we made it. We made it to go see his big brother. This is his first basketball game. I'm gonna show y'all some footage of the game in a second. But yes, go Warriors! How's the assistant coach? Come on, Coach Joe. Let's go, Coach Joe. Come on, Coach Joe. Number 11. Alright, y'all, we are on the way to Jacksonville, Florida for the weekend. I'm sitting in the back seat with a baby. He's asleep. Anyway, let's let y'all know when I get there. I just got to Jacksonville in my mother-in-law's house, and look, like we have some oxtails tomorrow. And I tell y'all, she can cook. So I can't wait to have these oxtails, but anyway, it was a long ride. I'm tired, y'all. I'm sleepy. Got off work late last night. Baseball games this morning, 2 games. And came all the way down to Florida. So I'm probably gonna chill out for the rest of the night. And get some of this chocolate she got in here though. Anyway, I'll let y'all know if I do something. If not, see y'all tomorrow.
Through the middle, this is his 3rd carry. He throw on the first 2. And on a 1st and 5,
that's right,
goes to a first down. You know, Neal is there.
He insists, so he gonna try it again. Really, Joe? You got it. You got it.
Yo, I ain't want some goddamn film over there. Yeah, I got it. You know I had.
Done on the outside by Robert Alford. He sure did have that big play in the Super Bowl last year. You can see the Sammy Watkins.
All right, take 3.
I don't listen to Chronic. I smoke.
Come back in here.
What? Hey.
He finally got it.
Hey. Too much sauce. Hey. Too much sauce. Hey. Too much sauce. JoJo.
He finally got it.
Sauce. Hey.
To the 3rd try. Oh, so now you just showing off.